Man, we are now moving on to the Pythagorean theorem, which is a very popular theorem and is used with a special kind of triangle. So, the Pythagorean theorem, let's go over this. Alright, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, which you probably already knew that. You probably learned this in a previous math class, but it does not help to go over it again. Alright, and this Pythagorean theorem can only be used with a right triangle. Okay, this theorem right here helps you calculate the side lengths of a right triangle, which your side lengths are labeled A, B, and C. So if you use this formula, and if you know two of the sides of your right triangle, then you can use the Pythagorean theorem, and you can only use this with a right triangle. If you do not have a right triangle, you have to use some other formulas to solve for the sides of those triangles, which you probably will not learn that until a different math class. So you'll have to wait on that. Okay, but for now, when we have a right triangle, this is a very useful theorem to use. Alright, so let's talk about the parts of a right triangle. So the A and the B of the right triangle are called the legs. And the legs of the right triangle are the two sides that form the right angle. So see how leg B and leg A form the right angle of the triangle. Okay, so those are called the legs, and you can label them as A and B. And it doesn't matter which one you assign the A and which one you assign the B. I could technically make this leg the A and this leg the B. As long as it's on the right angle, it does not matter which one is the A and the B. Alright, now the next piece of the right triangle is called the hypotenuse. Try saying that 5 times fast. Yeah, that was hard, wasn't it? Hypotenuse is hard to say really fast. But anyways, the hypotenuse is the side across from the right angle. So if you jump across the triangle to the side across from your right angle, bam, you have the hypotenuse, okay, which is side C. Okay, so again, the hypotenuse cannot be one of the sides that forms the right angle. It's the side across from the right angle. Okay, and this is side C, and the hypotenuse should always be the longest side of your right triangle, always. So if you're solving and you get that your leg is longer than your hypotenuse, you need to rethink this problem because something went wrong. Alright, and I have an awesome board slapper ahead. Wait for you guys. Oh no, watch out for the hippopotamus. That's a board slapper. Oh man, that is hilarious. So instead of hypotenuse, I said hippopotamus, and there's a cute little hippo laying on the hypotenuse. So that's a board slapper. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. That was hilarious. But anyways, now using the Pythagorean theorem, we're going to solve these lovely 3 example problems. So example 1 and 2 are a little bit easier. We actually have measures for the legs or the hypotenuse of the triangle, which is much easier when you're solving. But example 3, now this one's going to be a doozy. Okay, I did not tell you what 2 of the sides were, but you have to kind of figure it out using the markings on the triangle. But I'm not going to give that away right now. You're just going to have to wait to watch examples 1, 2, and 3 to figure it out. So go ahead and pause the video and watch examples 1, 2, and 3. And I hope you have so much fun. Alright, and this is the funsy down here, which you'll have to wait for that till later. And guess what, you guys? That's it on the Pythagorean theorem. Oh no, it's super short. I'm sorry. I can't do anything about it.